Hi! Welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will try a technique to see if we can solve the problem in less than 10 seconds without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds, and if we can. So, here's the problem. The figure ABCD is a parallelogram. Find the perimeter of ABCD. A. 22, B. 48, C. 53, D. 59, E. 32. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, AB equals DC and AD equals BC. 2x plus 2y plus 7 equals 4x minus 3y plus 10, and x plus 4y equals 3x plus 2y minus 3. Therefore, negative 2x plus 5y equals 3, and negative 2x plus 2y equals negative 3. Solving these two equations simultaneously, we get x equals 3.5 and y equals 2. Hence, AB equals DC is equal to 2 times 3.5 plus 2 times 2 plus 7 equals 18. And AD equals BC is 3.5 plus 4 times 2 equals 11.5. Hence, the total perimeter equals 2 times 18 plus 11.5 equals 59. And the answer is letter D. Estimated time to arrive at the answer is 75 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's face the question and see. Remember, our answer was option D. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem and if it can give us the correct answer faster than the standard method. Alright, it's trying to solve the problem. Okay, it's trying to find the perimeter now, which means that we're about to get the answer. Alright, and it gave us the correct answer, letter D, 59. Great job, AI. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option D. Let's see if Gemini can give us the correct answer faster than ChatGPT did. Alright, and it's done calculating. However, it could not give us the correct answer. According to Gemini, the answer is not among the given options, which according to Gemini's calculation is 63. And on our calculation from the standard method and ChatGPT, both got the answer of 59. Oh well. Sometimes Gemini can make mistakes, so we have to double check it. AI is indeed a wonderful tool, but what about the times we're unable to access AI or a calculator? As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. So, here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve the question and beat the clock. Here's the smart way. The perimeter of parallelogram ABCD is equal to the sum of length of all sides, which is 2x plus 2y plus 7 plus 3x plus 2y minus 3 plus 4x minus 3y plus 10 plus x plus 4y, which is equal to 10x plus 5y plus 14. Now, from the options, just subtract 14. This will give us the value of 10x plus 5y, which is a multiple of 5, because 10x plus 5y equals 5 times 2x plus y. Hence, that option, which is a multiple of 5 after subtracting 14 from it, should be the answer. A, 22 minus 14 equals 8, which is not a multiple of 5, so it's not the answer. B, 48 minus 14 equals 34, which is also not a multiple of 5. C, 53 minus 14 equals 39, which is not a multiple of 5. D, 59 minus 14 equals 45, which is a multiple of 5, so it is the correct answer. And lastly, 32 minus 14 is 18, which is also not a multiple of 5. According to the process of elimination, the correct answer is the letter D. And with this method, the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 15 seconds. So we're a little over 5 seconds, but it definitely is a faster and smarter way to solve the question, considering we didn't use a calculator or an AI. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.